Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the essentials are in place. Python 3. 10 plus, a virtual environment and Lunar Thread installed. This avoids dependency conflicts later. Once done, create a minimal project structure. Main, py and config. Toml, so you can iterate quickly. Then run Lunar version to confirm installation and allocate 1/2 CPU core for your first trial to limit resource surprises. Make sure to keep logs enabled. They reveal runtime behavior and make debugging immediate and efficient. You now configure the engine, open config. Toml and set explicit thread pools, pool sizes, and names so tasks map predictably. Next, in main, py call Lunar Thread start. With context propagation and sensible timeouts, this controls cancellation and prevents leaks. Then integrate logging and metrics at 10-second granularity to observe throughput. Once those hooks are wired, test with a synthetic workload and gradually increase concurrency to monitor latency versus throughput trade-offs. This makes performance tuning safer and measurable. You finish by running an end-to-end test and validating outputs. Make sure the process shuts down gracefully within the configured timeout because lingering threads hide bugs. If you hit deadlocks, enable debug locks and capture backtraces, then reduce pool sizes to isolate the offending routine and reproduce reliably. Finally, document the final config and baseline metrics, and add automated health checks and restart policies so the system recovers automatically. This prevents small issues from.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.